Let me show you how we can deactivate TalkBack on Realme GT8 Pro. So if you have accidentally enabled TalkBack, then most of the time there's also a watermark prompt that tells you what you need to do. So in this case, it looks like this, and it says that we can hold both volume buttons for 3 seconds in order to deactivate TalkBack. So let's give it a try. We're gonna use both buttons, both volume buttons at the same time, and if I hold it for 3 seconds, as you can see, it did indeed turn off the TalkBack. But now let's pretend that that TalkBack is enabled and the volume buttons shortcut doesn't work for some reason. So in order to turn off TalkBack after that, you will have to figure out how to navigate on the phone with TalkBack enabled, because navigation is slightly altered. So essentially every button, every option can be selected. As you can see, we have this highlight. This also includes buttons at the bottom of the screen if you use 3 buttons for navigation, for example. So first we have to tap once in order to select what we want to use, and then we can double tap anywhere on the screen in order to confirm that we want to do that. And if you use gestures, and it's not really just the gestures for navigation, but any gestures whatsoever on the phone usually have to be done with 2 fingers instead, whether it is scrolling on this list or swiping between pages, or even like closing single apps over here. As you can see, I actually have to use 2 fingers in order to close them. So let's start from the home screen. If you manage to go to the home screen and everything is closed, then of course we can go to settings first. I'm gonna use 2 fingers in order to swipe up in here to go to the app drawer, and we're gonna scroll down with 2 fingers to tap on select once, and then double tap in order to confirm your choice. Now over here we need to scroll down in order to find accessibility, so we need to select accessibility once and double tap again. Now over here tap on accessibility and then double tap. Then we're gonna tap on vision over here and then double tap. And finally here we have the TalkBack option, so we need to tap on it once and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack switcher here once, and then we need to double tap. And of course we need to confirm, so tap on the turn off and once again double tap. And finally TalkBack is deactivated. Subscribe to my channel.